Hello, and welcome back to Hagan New Jersey PIP Tips, where we bring you monthly segments on New Jersey auto insurance personal injury protection, otherwise known as PIP. This month we're going to be talking about summer vacation. I'll fill you in on a little bit of what I've been doing along with work. I'll also let you know about the latest bill that Governor Murphy signed in dealing with insurance policy limits. We'll present our featured provider of the month, Precision Pain and Spine Institute, and then we'll pick the winner for this month. So let's get right to it and check out the beach. Probably like yourselves, I've been spending a little bit of vacation time this month, in addition to the keeping up with all the PIP files and personal injury claims. Fortunate enough to get to Bar Harbor, Maine with my family, and here's some pictures from the scenes. Additionally, my son, myself, my brother-in-law and nephew, we got the Klein Cadillac Mountain. Here's some videos from the top of the mountain. Very majestic, was worth the hike, although it put me to the limit. As you can see in my video, not only have I been enjoying vacation, I've been enjoying food. And so this was a heck of a climb to the top of the mountain. It's the highest point on the northeast coast in the country. And then to follow that up, my son and I got to see Kanye West in Atlanta, Georgia. My son's a huge fan of Kanye. He loved the concert, but I also enjoyed it myself. It was a pretty good show, and new songs, new music, so it was enjoyable. And of course, anytime you get to spend time with your family, and in this case my son, it's always very enjoyable. So hopefully you get to have some similar experiences before this summer's over. I love summer. It's a great time to spend with family and friends, and hopefully you get a little bit of break from the day-to-day work and operations. So again, enjoy. So some big news came out on June 22nd, I believe it was. Governor Murphy signed a bill that made it law that insurance carriers have to provide the policy limits when demanded by the personal injury attorney within 30 days of the request. There's some technical requirements of it, that they make a request, they represent the injured person, the name and number, the last address of the insured, the date and time of the accident, a copy of the accident report if available, and a statement requesting the same. So before, in order to find out the insurance limits for the person who caused the accident, you had to file suit. So there was often numerous suits filed that really there wasn't much policy limits available, so it was kind of almost a waste of time to file suit, and you didn't find that out until after the fact. So this is going to require upfront. Once they request it, they can no longer say no and delay it till trial. So now, before you have to even file suit, you can find out how much assets, particularly the insurance policy, that the other side has. So my recommendations for the medical providers is two things. Always try to get a copy of the deck page of the patient, because for PIP, the person, doesn't matter whose fault the accident was, but the person who's injured, it's their insurance policy that's supposed to cover the medical expenses. It's all, a lot of times the PIP carrier won't tell you if you ask it. So what I recommend is get it from either the patient or the patient's attorney. Additionally, ask the patient's attorney to demand the policy limits on the other side. This way, if there's extensive treatment that might exceed the PIP policy limits, you'll know that there's money from the other side to also go after for any unpaid medical expenses. Particularly with these $15,000 PIP policies, you're now allowed, at least for the last year and a half, the Supreme Court said, you're allowed to board the unpaid medical expenses beyond the 15. Obviously, you could always board beyond the 250 and go after that person who caused the accident. So there are two important things to know: the PIP policy limits, and also the person who's at fault, their policy limits, so you know whether there's enough money to pay your bills. So it's a good sign. We're moving in the right direction. We could do a few other things, including a bad faith legislation for the insurance carriers that do act in bad faith. We've been pushing them for years, and hopefully maybe in this year we can get it. So good luck with that, and if you have any questions or problems, by all means, reach out to me and I can go into a little further detail with this. I can be reached at 732-722-2911, or you can email me at sean@seanhaganlaw.com. Awesome. So next I want to talk about our featured provider of the month, Precision Pain and Spine Institute. They currently, I believe, have 10 offices throughout New Jersey and New York. They've been expanding and continue to expand. So there's likely a place close to you that you can go see them at. They can be contacted either at 732-444-8888, or you can check out their website, njmopain.com. So njmopain.com, and here's a look at the website. As you can see, multiple locations. You can also schedule an appointment online for the particular location and the date that you're looking to come in. They offer chiropractic, physical therapy, interventional, pain management, orthopedic, and surgery. So whether you need just some conservative care, injections, or ultimately some surgery, they can address these needs. And if and when, they can also refer you out to other types of providers that may be of need. Additionally, they do some diagnostics in office, particularly with nerve conduction studies, EMGs, and then also will refer out for any testing needed in terms of MRIs, etc. They're available, I believe, 7 days a week. But again, check out their website. You can get all the details there and reach out to them. If you have any problems reaching, I have a good relationship with them too, and I can make that contact for you. So congratulations, Precision Pain and Spine Institute, and I look forward to continuing to work with you. So next, for those who don't know, I each month do a drawing for the following featured of the month provider. So all you have to do is correspond with me in any way, whether it's a phone call, email, sending me your PIP arbitrations, anyway. We're, as I said earlier, we're always here for your questions, but we're also here for your PIP arbitrations to get them resolved, or PI referrals, personal injury referrals. So anytime you do, we enter you in, and then you get a chance. If you don't win this month, there's always next month. So keep sending those demands and keep contacting me, okay? And the winner this month is Stiso Chiropractic. Congratulations. We'll be in touch to feature you next month in our video. Well, we hope you enjoyed this month's video, enjoyed the pictures from some of my vacations and concerts, and I hope that you're having a great time and getting to celebrate and travel with your family and friends. If you found this information useful, helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the links below. As always, we're never too busy for your kind PIP and personal injury referrals. Thank you, and God bless.